Hi all! Today we will look at the new Pepe project, a meme token that blew up the cryptocurrency world. We'll take a look at what this project is, how it works, and why it's so popular. First, we take a look at the CoinMarketCap website for some basic information about the project. Pepe is a new meme token that was created on the Binance Smart Chain BSc blockchain platform just 23 days ago. It quickly gained popularity among investors and became one of the most discussed projects in the cryptocurrency community. Its market capitalization at the moment is $1,186 million, and its token count is 420 trillion tokens. Pepe is already listed on all the most popular exchanges, and it's shocking, the exchanges don't care if it is a meme or not, scam project. The most important thing for them is that it trades well and they will earn on it. Now let's check out the Pepe project website for more details. Here we can see information that the creators themselves say that the Pepe coin has nothing to do with Matt Fury or his creation Pepe the Frog. This token simply pays homage to a meme we all love and recognize. Pepe is a meme coin with no intrinsic value or financial return. And what else do we see? There is no official team or roadmap. This is how in general, then who monitors the site, who updates it constantly, and who leads the Twitter? For him we will talk later. The coin is completely useless and is only for entertainment purposes. However, as with any cryptocurrency project, there is a high risk of capital loss, and before investing, especially in Pepe, it is necessary to carefully study the project and the risks associated with it. Now let's talk about why Pepe is so popular in the cryptocurrency community. One of the reasons is that the project has a lot of potential for growth. From a technical point of view, Pepe has many advantages over other meme tokens: the fact that it is new and on the radar, and very popular, and how long it will last is not known. Besides, Pepe is a meme token. For those who don't know, whatever the developers say is based on the internet meme Pepe the Frog, which became popular in the 2010s. The meme was originally created by American artist Matt Farnerstock in 2005, and it has since become a symbol of internet culture. Now let's look at the Pepe project Twitter. It's something with something. I have not seen this, just look at the only memes and that's it. No information about the project, there is only memes. But well, now I see that there is already different information about listings. Before that just looked nothing of this was, which again suggests that the project is likely as long as the same Shiba or dogs will not live, but this is not certain. Overall, Pepe is an interesting project in the world of meme tokens, which is based on a popular internet meme and has great potential for development due to its activity and dedicated community. Indeed, the community is a key factor in the success of any cryptocurrency project, and Pepe is no exception here. Overall, Pepe is a project that is actively developing and has great potential for growth thanks to an active and dedicated community. But investing in it is a big risk, as those who jumped into this project at the very beginning have already earned. Now it is scarier, as early investors will soon fix their profits. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to learn more about the world of cryptocurrencies and everything associated with it. To all profit friends, see you soon.